Hey friends! Welcome back to Quiz Pengu! Today's quiz is all about the hit series Squid Game. From deadly games to dark secrets. You've got 10 multiple choice questions. Can you survive to the end with a perfect score? Let's find out! In what country is Squid Game set? China, South Korea, or Japan? It's South Korea! The series is entirely set there! How many players participate in Squid Game? 456, 321, or 100? It's 456. That's the traditional number of participants. What is the name of Squid Game's masked leader? CEO, Frontman, or Commander? It's Frontman. He runs the game behind the scenes. What shape on a guard's mask represents the highest authority? Triangle, circle, or square? It's square. The square mask ranks highest among guards. What is the total prize amount in Squid Game? 100 billion won, 45.6 billion won, or 60 billion won? It's 45.6 billion won, awarded to the final survivor. What does the red box contain in Squid Game 3? Key, knife, or cash? It's knife. Red boxes conceal knives for the game. Who smuggled a knife inside the facility? No Alo, Goomba, or Mongi? It's Goomba. He secretly brought in a knife. Who is revealed to be behind the frontman's mask? Daeho, Inho, or Gahoon? It's Inho, the true identity of the frontman in Part 3. Which player gives birth during the game? Sono, Junhee, or Keanu? It's Junhee. She gives birth during the deadly competition. How did Junho reach the Squid Game island? Infiltrated a boat, parachuted in, or dived underwater? It's dived underwater. He swam to secretly reach the island. And that's it for today's Squid Game quiz. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments. No eliminations here. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check out more thrilling quizzes only on Quiz Pengu. See you tomorrow for the next challenge.